Good evening everyone, this is Hassan Akhtar Nisar and you're welcome to 50 Shades of Life. Shortly today we will be talking about IPA, International Phonetic Alphabet, which is I would say a very important thing for everyone who wants to learn English as a foreign language. मतलब आपकी अंग्रेज़ी फर्स्ट लैंग्वेज नहीं है, आपकी फर्स्ट लैंग्वेज कुछ भी है, उर्दू, पंजाबी, सराइकी, हिंदी वरेवर, और आप अंग्रेज़ी सीखना चाह रहे हैं तो अंग्रेज़ी आपकी सेकंड या टारगेट लैंग्वेज है। और टारगेट लैंग्वेज अगर अंग्रेज़ी है आपकी तो मैं कहूँगा कि आईपीए सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट और सबसे अहम उस्ताद है आपका। अगर आप IPA को सीख लेते हैं, यू डोंट नीड एनी टीचर लिटरली। सो व्हाट IPA एक्चुअली इज़, ये एक सिस्टम है सिंबल्स का जिसमें 45 सिंबल्स हैं एंड 44 साउंड्स हैं और हर साउंड के लिए एक अलग सिंबल है। And this has been devised at the end of I think 19th century for the students of English who are learning English as a target language. Okay, and this is really very important, and there are 44 sounds as I was saying, and today I'm going to give you a short introduction of all the 44 sounds. And once again I'm saying, अगर अंग्रेज़ी को आप target language के तौर पे कर रहे हैं तो IPA आपको ज़रूर आना चाहिए। इसको सीखने के बाद आपको किसी टीचर की ज़रूरत नहीं रहेगी। So let's see what those 44 sounds are. Well, first of all, let me introduce you. These are the 24 consonant sounds. Then there are short vowels and long vowels. Then there are diphthongs. Let's see what they are. Okay students, these 12 symbols are vowels, okay, short and long vowels together. These you can see in the yellow circle, and next to these vowels are some 8 diphthongs, right? And then there are these 24 consonant sounds, right? So we'll be starting with the consonant sounds. P as in pen or pigeon, B as in book or bag, T as in tea or tuck, D as in day or duty, Ch as in chair or lunch, J as in jam or judge, K as in key or kite, G as in garage or gorgeous, F as in for or fan, V as in very or van, S as in thank you or fairy. Then there is this Z sound as in that or therefore, right? Then there is this S sound as in sun or sift, Z as in zoo or zigzag, Sh sound as in she or sheep, Y sound as in vian or pleasure, nasal sound. The following 3 sounds are the nasal sounds. M as in man, N as in no or nasal, Ng as in sing or shrink. Fine. H, simple H sound as in hat or hit. L sound, L as in look or leak. R sound as in red or shred. W sound as in woman or want or water. Y sound as in yes or pure. Now we jump up to the first box. We have vowels here, 12 in total. E, long vowel, E as in sea or deep or sheep. Then there is this E, short vowel, E as in hit or bit or kit. Then we have U as in put or foot. Then we have the long vowel oo as in hoot or boot. Then we have short vowel eh as in 10 or pen or when. Then we have the short vowel again, this is called schwa, as in ahead or ago or student. Fine. We have then this again long vowel, as in girl or her. We have then the long vowel again, o as in saw. Then we have the short vowel a as in hat or bat. Then we have a as in but or cut. We have then a sound as in car or father. And the last one is all as in water or hot. Fine. And we are moving to the diphthongs, 8 in number. The first one is ear as in ear or fear. The second is a as in say or hey or day. The third is ua as in pure or tour. The fourth one is oi as in boy or toy. The fifth one is o, the schwa and the short vowel u. Okay, o, so or no. Then we have air as in hair or air. We have then I as in by or why. And the last one is ow as in now or how are you. These, dear students, were the 44 symbols in IPA, International Phonetic Alphabet, and as I was telling you, this has been devised or planned by the IPA, again, International Phonetic Association, the greatest teachers of English language and linguistics and all the other masters who devised all this plan to ease the students who are learning English as a target language. If you learn them, I'm sure these are going to help you a lot in your learning, in your process of learning English and in becoming a better speaker of the English language. And after these, I don't think you need any teacher, right? You learn them and you are a teacher of yourself. That's it for today. See you next time. This is Hassan, Akhtar, Nisar saying you bye-bye.